In the hyper-dynamic business world of 2026, corporate event management has transformed from a logistical necessity into a high-impact, experience strategy. For Fortune 500 companies and global enterprises, events are no longer just gatherings. They are curated environments designed to drive hard ROI, leverage first-party data, and build brand equity. As of early 2026, the hallmark of elite event management is the shift toward agentic AI integration, where specialized event co-pilots manage everything from draft agendas to real-time attendee-led scoring. High CPM keywords such as Best Global Corporate Event Agencies 2026, Hybrid Event ROI Measurement Software, and Sustainable Enterprise Event Planning attract premium advertisements from industry titans like Svent, Salesforce, and luxury hospitality brands, making this one of the most profitable niches for B2B marketing and technology content creators. The 2026 landscape of top-tier event management is dominated by a few global powerhouses that have mastered the art of phygital, physical plus digital, engagement. ATPI Group remains a leader in specialized corporate and energy sector events, while BCD Meetings and AMP Events has redefined the high-touch, human connection through its global scale. RX, formerly Reed Exhibitions, continues to innovate in the trade show space, utilizing advanced data analytics to connect buyers and sellers with surgical precision. Additionally, agencies like GL Events and Triumph Group International have set the gold standard for large-scale conventions and cultural events by integrating immersive technologies like AR-guided networking and 3D projection mapping. For an American marketing director, selecting a top-tier partner in 2026 means looking for firms that prioritize circular sustainability, where stage sets are reused, and LED video walls replace wasteful printed backdrops. However, to remain compliant with YouTube's business integrity policy, it is mandatory to clarify that a successful event requires a realistic budget and a long-term strategy. Promoting overnight viral events, without discussing the importance of contingency planning and data security protocols, especially with the 54% rise in cloud-based security concerns, is a direct violation of professional transparency standards. The 2026 model for elite event management also highlights the rise of hyper-personalized content journeys. Attendees no longer want a one-size-fits-all experience. They expect AI-driven suggestions for which breakout sessions to attend based on their past behavior and professional goals. For creators, this niche offers immense depth, from explaining the logic of predictive-led routing, to navigating the new SEC compliance for corporate gatherings. By providing evidence-based insights into immersive XR demos and the latest phygital interaction updates, where remote participants can interact with physical displays via haptic feedback, we empower businesses to create lasting impact. Furthermore, the 2026 market has seen a surge in micro-events, where companies host high-frequency, smaller regional gatherings to maintain year-round engagement rather than one massive annual conference. Ultimately, the 2026 corporate event management landscape in the United States represents the perfect marriage of human creativity and predictive intelligence, ensuring that every handshake and every keynote is optimized for maximum professional value.